right? Because my whole job is to be on vacation while my bots are working for me. I want to do the creative things. I want to goddamn be in Saint Tropez somewhere relaxing, but my AI is working as hard as I would when it comes to the things that I used to do online and digitally. It's creating content. Yesterday I created a whole entire content editing machine. I can get rid of damn near all of my subscriptions that I have for content creation because I can now just code them up whenever I want to, and it's customized to the way that I use it. I created one that actually pulls clips based on psychology. So now I can get clips, not just, hey, let's see what goes viral. No, I'm actually using the psychology behind, right, content creation and what actually works. And then we do content atomization, meaning that we can take one piece of content and get 7 different ones. You might get a newsletter. You might get still photo quote cards. You might get 30 seconds. You might get a 5-minute clip that can go on YouTube. Right? Like, it can get cut up in all these different ways. You can get tweets. You get all of these things from it. And as a person that is building a creator-led institution, the goal is I want to work with, inside High Level University, I want to work with creators who I believe have the potential to become institutions, right? And as an institution, it means that you're building out your own university, you're building out your own content machine, you have your media, right? You have your events, you have community, you have all those things. Everybody won't do that. This is for that top % that I believe can meet the criteria for that. So I actually built out a whole entire checklist. So when people do join into High Level University, I want to work with you. I want to help take you there. Everything that I hear people talking about on social media now is things that we've already done. They be like, yo, you got to get a community. We have that. Yo, you got to do in real life events. We've been doing that. Yo, you got to practice world building. We've been doing that. Yo, you got to have sustained identity, and you got to have merchandising. You got to have branding. Crown Society. Look, we've been doing that. What we talking about? You feel me? Oh, we got to fix that. You know what I'm saying? We've been doing that. Anything that you can think of that they're saying, oh, y'all need to start doing long form content. Been doing that. You know what I'm saying? Like, everything that I hear these people talking about, they're basically describing what we've been doing the whole entire time. Literally. Nothing new under the sun. Every piece of content that they say people should create, you gotta now they saying new media is showing up as your authentic self, being more risky. Been doing that. You gotta have distribution, so brands don't just want to partner with, creators. They want to partner with somebody who can actually clip it up, distribute it out, you know what I'm saying? Have their own platforms, because they're now looking at you as a media company. We've been on that. And I'm tired of watching people who ain't did it talk about it. So therefore, we go do it. I get tired of this. Everybody talking, you need to do this, you need to do that. All y'all doing is watching what we've already done. When you look at the Earn Your Legions, been done that and done that. When you look at the Wall Street Trappers, done that. The Aristotles have done that. You know what I'm saying? The tall guy tycoons, the Chris Sags. I just named about $1 billion worth of value right there. Been doing that. But they don't like to put us on the front when they start talking about the top creators and all of that. How's these the top creators? You know what I'm saying? So I want to teach you actually how to become from a influencer to being a real creator to being an economy. And then from an economy, you can actually turn it into a small micro nation. And once you have that set up, and going from an institution to like an economy, from an economy is essentially saying that you're setting it up so that even if you remove yourself, it's still working.